Are we on the brink of a breakthrough in hemophilia treatment? Perhaps the answer is yes, with the FDA's recent approval of a gene therapy treatment for hemophilia. Today, we delve into the world of gene therapy and explore the implications of this landmark decision. First, let's demystify gene therapy. This cutting-edge approach to medicine involves altering the genes inside your body's cells to treat or prevent disease. Picture your body as a complex machine, and your genes as the blueprint that guides its function. Sometimes, there's an error in the blueprint, a faulty gene, that can cause serious health problems. Gene therapy aims to fix these errors by replacing, inactivating, or introducing new genes into the body. Now, how does gene therapy work? In essence, it uses vectors, usually viruses, to deliver the correct version of a gene to a patient's cells. The virus is modified so it can't cause disease, but it retains its ability to infect cells. Scientists insert the correct gene into the virus, which then delivers it to the patient's cells. Once inside the cell, the gene is incorporated into the patient's own DNA, allowing the cell to produce the proteins it was previously unable to, effectively treating the disease at its genetic root. The best way to treat hemophilia is to replace the missing blood clotting factor so that the blood can clot properly. This is typically done by injecting treatment products, called clotting factor concentrates, into a person's vein. This is not also very expensive in terms of the logistics, and the factor products also very challenging to inject them in the timely manner. For example, products must be kept in the fridge all the time. Imagine you are out camping and have a bleeding trauma, how life-threatening it is. This brings us to the significance of the FDA's recent approval of a gene therapy treatment for hemophilia B. Hemophilia B is a bleeding disorder caused by a deficiency in clotting factor 9, a protein that helps blood to clot. People with this condition bleed longer than normal, which can lead to serious health problems and even life-threatening situations. The FDA's approval of a gene therapy treatment for hemophilia B is a game changer. It signifies a shift in how we approach the treatment of genetic disorders. No longer are we solely reliant on managing symptoms and complications. Instead, we now have the ability to target the root cause of these conditions. However, it's important to remember that gene therapy is still a relatively new field. There are challenges to overcome, including safety concerns, the high costs of treatment, and ensuring access to these therapies for all who need them. Yet, the potential it holds for transforming medicine is undeniable. In conclusion, the FDA's approval of a gene therapy treatment for hemophilia B is a significant milestone in medicine. It brings hope for a future where genetic disorders can be treated at their source, offering a potential lifeline to millions around the globe. This is the promise of gene therapy, the ability to correct the blueprint, to fix the machinery of our bodies, and to transform the lives of those living with genetic disorders.